Hey, starting to invest, great. But before you put your money in, watch this. I'm showing you 5 mistakes that cost beginners thousands. Mistake number 1. Mistake number 1. Investing without a plan. Don't just pick random stocks. Have a goal. Ask yourself, am I saving for retirement? A house? 5 years or 20 years? Your timeline matters. Mistake number 2. Mistake number 2. Chasing quick wins. Stop looking for get-rich-quick schemes. They don't exist. Real wealth builds slowly. Invest consistently, even small amounts. Start with $50 or $100. Mistake number 3. Mistake number 3. Not diversifying. Don't put all money in one stock. Spread it across different investments, stocks, bonds, index funds. Lower risk, better returns. Mistake number 4. Mistake number 4. Ignoring fees. High fees kill returns. Choose low-cost index funds and ETFs. Even 1% difference compounds into thousands over time. Mistake number 5. Mistake number 5. Emotional trading. Don't panic sell when markets drop. Don't buy when everyone's hyped. Stay disciplined. Successful investors think long-term. Closing. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. Like this video and subscribe for more finance tips. What's your biggest investment question? Comment below.